Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your Osaki massage chair is a quick way to fix common glitches or mechanical errors. Sometimes the chair gets stuck in a reclined position. Other times the remote control might freeze up unexpectedly. Most problems can be solved with a simple hard reset. First, locate the power switch on the back of the base. Flip the switch to the off position. Next, pull the power cord out of the wall outlet. Wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the internal computer to clear its memory completely. Plug the chair back into the outlet. Flip the power switch back to the on position. This power cycle usually fixes most minor software issues. If the chair still does not respond, check the fuse. The fuse is located near the power switch. You might need a small screwdriver to open the fuse compartment. Replace any blown fuses with a new one of the same rating. You can also try a factory reset using the remote. Hold down the power button and the menu button at the same time for 10 seconds. Look for a message on the screen indicating a system reset. Make sure no objects are blocking the chair's movement during this process. Ensure the air hoses are connected tightly under the seat. Checking these connections can resolve airbag errors. If these steps do not work, contact customer support for further assistance. Keeping your chair updated and clean prevents many future errors. Now your Osaki massage chair should be ready for your next relaxing session at home. This process works for most models.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.